In this previous video of our hidden web series, we had discussed about surface web, deep web and dark web. And if you felt scary after listening all of them, then that or nothing, until we get to the deepest part of the web, where people don't want you to go, the so-called Mariana's Web. The legend of Mariana's Web appears to get its name from the deepest part of the ocean, Mariana's Trench. It's supposedly the deepest part of the ocean. If you don't have seen our video on Mariana Trench, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. But in this video we will discuss about Mariana Web and its myth. It is to be believed that Mariana Web is the portion of web that contains a lot of secrets, as you can think. Here you'll find the darkest secrets humanity has in its history, the secret location of Atlantis and the Vatican secret archives, or a database of archives belonging to the most powerful intelligence agencies on Earth. Extreme content of all kinds, including terrorist tutorials, pages with prohibited adult material, and unimaginable subject forums, for example, could be found in these layers. But what is so secretive about Mariana's Web that it needs to be hidden in such a way? There is no 100% correct answer to this, so there is no way to pinpoint exactly what kind of information can be found there. What is known is based on reports from experienced deep web users and specialized forums. Some people point out sites that make hitmen available. Companies specializing in the sale of banned and strictly military weapons could also be found in these farthest layers of the network. In the most sinister reaches of the web there may even be the trail of human beings, rare animals and organs. It is also believed that Mariana Web is so secured that quantum computers are required entering Mariana Web, which currently only exist in science fiction. For many, the whole concept of these hidden pages and all these are just internet legends. What do you think? Do not forget to comment. Hope you guys enjoys this video and find it useful. If yes, then hit like button, and if you have any questions regarding this, write down in the comment box. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the Fireup Facts.